Hi, Brian McAvoy here with Inside Out Trading. And today we're going to talk about for me and a lot of traders, it really is a fun topic. If you're of an entrepreneurial nature, if you're looking at trading as a financial asset that's going to pay you and be an asset and grow for you and help you grow wealth and income for the rest of your life, this is something that this is a conversation that you'll probably want to jump into. Now, here's what we're talking about. So you've heard the wisdom somewhere along the way, but hopefully you have, to treat your trading as a business like you would any other business that you might invest in or decide to start up. And here's the thing, there's money in this wisdom. There's serious money in this wisdom if you'll pay attention to it and not just dismiss it. Oh, yeah, treat your trading like a business. No, it is a business. This is not an investment where, like a mutual fund where you set your money over there and and the fund managers run it and you just kind of keep an eye on it. No, this is an active business. I mean, if you think about it, if you look around you, the computer that you're watching this on or your phone represents probably hundreds of businesses. Everything around you that's not natural, that's man-made, represents a business. Somebody saw that activity. Hey, I can make that thing, or I can provide that service. I can create that plastic, or that I can go get the metals out of the ground for the copper wires and the silver to make the electrical components of the what you're using now. Everything that you look around at you is a business. Somebody's making these things and they're doing it on a regular basis for profit. Every service that you get, whether it's dry cleaning or home cleaning, or you're getting your car washed or your car worked on, people doing work around your house, every service business, it's a business. It's a repeated activity for profit. And trading is no different. You are actively trading, you're putting in your time, actively doing a repeated process for money. So understanding this, that yes, trading is a business. It's not just passive investing where you're setting your money over there and it's going to work for you. No, you're working in this business and it is a business. And so the thing is, what's really okay. So the thing is, what's really crucial is that you understand. Okay. That said, okay, now we've established, yes, trading is a real business. So what does that mean? Well, I wanted trading to make money and yeah, provide me an income so that I can quit my job and maybe go buy a boat or go live in a cabin or go golfing and travel the world or whatever. You're doing this, like I said, because you want a financial asset that's going to produce income and generate wealth for you. And again, it's a business investment. So understanding that, well, there's a couple things about that. Since it's an active business where you're involved, if you look at any business plan, well, first of all, do you have an actual business plan for your trading? Not a trading plan on how you're going to be getting in and out of the markets and making money, but your actual plan for the business of your trading, where you're saying, okay, over the course of the next 5 years, or at least the next year, this is what I'm looking to achieve financially with my trading. And you actually have some goals. So many people say, oh, you never know how much money you're going to make from trading. Horse hockey. There is an element of predictability to it. In every business, there's an element of uncertainty. In every business, there are levels of certainty, and that's how people can build businesses. And trading is the same way. So regardless of how you're going about your trading, you can put together a plan and say, these are my intentions, these are my objectives, and how I'm going to accomplish them. And then you lay out a specific plan. And you look for strategies, trading strategies, risk management strategies, that kind of stuff to achieve those financial objectives, just like any other business. Cool. And one of the biggest things in a business plan is the executive summary, because you can have a great plan. It can be the best. You can have the next Uber, the next Microsoft, killer business plan, but you got to have the right person or people executing that business plan and making it happen. Now, with trading, you're the person. The executive summary, it says you're the one that's doing this. And here's the thing. When you look at a standard business plan, a traditional business plan, the first section is the executive summary, because whenever you're looking at a business plan as the investor, which you are the investor in this business, you're a business investor. You could have taken your money and put it in other businesses, but you chose trading. With any business that somebody, let's say somebody comes to you with a business plan. They say, hey, I got this great business idea. You're like, well, do you have a plan? Okay, yeah, I've got a plan. Here, take a look at the plan. The reason the executive summary is the first thing that you want to see is because it's like, okay, is this person that's going to be executing the plan, are they qualified to do it? Are they going to be able to make the plan happen? Do they have the skills? Do they have the knowledge? Do they bring the experience to be the person that's going to be able to competently execute this plan? Or is it somebody, I mean, you wouldn't want some Yahoo who doesn't know a damn thing about it executing your plan. The plan's going to fail. Same thing with your trading business. You want it to succeed. So you need a decent business plan. Well, and here's the other thing about a business plan. If you go to a venture capitalist or an angel investor and you say, hey, I've got a great business idea, will you invest in it? If you don't have a business plan, you're not going to get a conversation with them. It doesn't happen. They're not going to talk to you if you don't have a plan, because they know that without a plan, yeah, right, you're probably not going to make it. Same thing goes with trading. And as a business investor, the one who's putting up the money in your business, you really should insist on a business plan. You really should, from yourself. And so, and before you put your money at risk, have a plan, have a business plan, not a trading plan. Here, I'm going to get in here on the latest Apple move. No, a business plan for your business. So this financial endeavor, because this is something, a long-term thing. It's not just something you're going to do for a week, right? Or a month, and then you're done. No, it's a long-term endeavor. You want to have a plan so that it's successful. So that a year from now, you're way better off financially. You've been having fun. Yeah, there have been some lessons along the way, but you've become successful at it. And that's the whole objective. That's why you want to treat your trading as a business, because it is a business. This is a financial asset you're working on here. This isn't something to just fill your time because you're bored and you got nothing to do. No, you're wanting to build a financial asset, which is awesome. That's the whole point. That's why we do this, because we have this drive. We as traders, we want to move beyond just the 9 to 5 steady paycheck from a job. We want more out of life. We want to have control over our lives. We want to have the freedom to decide what I do, when I do it, who I do it with, where I'm doing, all that kind of stuff. That's what we want as traders. And trading provides that if you do it right. If you do it right. If you don't do it right, it's just something that's going to be a rough hobby and expensive, and it's not going to provide you what you want, or at least the odds are not in your favor. So yeah, I know I get kind of fired up about this stuff. It's a big deal, though. It really is. It's not something to just treat it trivially and say, oh, yeah, and get back to looking at, oh, that guy's making money over there. I'll go try his strategy. Oh, that guy's making money over there. I'll try his strategy. Stop doing that. That's the long, hard 5 to 22-year road. Stop doing that. You want to put a plan together, get your business started up, get it running, producing, growing, providing you that wealth generation and income that you want. Okay. If you'd like some help with your trading business, as far as putting a plan together, a real plan, a real business plan on how you're going to make your trading business successful, both for the short term and the long term, and how to get it successful as quickly as possible. Well, if you'd like to have some help with that, swing by InsideOutTrading.com, book a call with me. Let's have a conversation, see what you got going on, see what resources you got available, what you're trying to accomplish, and the plan to get you there. And we can lay out a path, see what kind of help you need, what kind of things that you're going to have to attend to go ahead and get you on that road and get that happening for you. Because again, this is important. Trading, this is not just some fun little hobby on the side. This is something that you want to be a significant part of your life, and you want it to be successful. I want to help you make that happen. So swing by InsideOutTrading.com right up here. Book a call with Brian. There's a link up at the top. Click on the link, book a call with me. Let's get your trading business organized and on the right path. Okay, cool. I hope this has been helpful for you. If it has, give me a like down below. Subscribe to the channel. This is the kind of stuff that I make as far as what I produce on this channel is how to be a successful trader, not just chasing the latest hypey stuff. This is about how to be a successful trader. So if you like this kind of stuff, this is what you're doing. If you want to be a successful trader, subscribe to my channel. If you have friends who trade and you want them to be successful too, share it with them. Share this video on your social channels. And again, swing by InsideOutTrading.com, book a call with me. No obligation. Let's have the conversation, get you on the right path, get you past what's holding you back right now. So talk to you soon. Cheers.